Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the safety management process. In this session, we will deep dive into the entire workflow of accident prevention and root cause analysis. Safety is the foundation of every successful operation. Over the next few minutes, we will explore the tools and frameworks necessary to move beyond blame and fix system weaknesses. We start with the basic causation model. Accidents are rarely random. They are the result of unsafe acts and unsafe conditions converging. Understanding this is the first step to prevention. Unsafe acts involve behavior, like taking shortcuts or skipping PPE. Unsafe conditions are environmental factors such as defective equipment or poor housekeeping. We must address both. A thorough investigation doesn't stop at the person closest to the event. We move through immediate causes and contributing factors to find the true root and system causes. Root causes are often found in weak processes or unclear standards. System causes, however, go deeper into leadership, culture, and resource gaps. That's where real change happens. Safety behavior is driven by duty and ownership. We must understand why people fail. Is it because they don't know, don't understand, or don't want to follow procedure? The ASK model helps us assess attitude, skill, and knowledge. We need to ensure that our teams have both the ability to perform correctly and the willingness to do so consistently. To control risk, we use the 3E strategy. Engineering designs out the hazard, education builds the necessary competence, and enforcement maintains the discipline. A balanced strategy is strongest. While engineering is our most effective tool, it must be supported by continuous coaching and compliance monitoring to be truly effective. The 5M lens ensures we don't miss any contributing factors. We systematically check man, machine, method, material, and medium for every single incident. By looking at each angle, from equipment condition to weather factors, we can map out a complete picture of the incident and identify exactly where the system failed. Fact collection relies on the 1, H, and 5 W questions. We need to know exactly what happened, why the controls failed, and how the sequence of events unfolded. When we ask who, we aren't looking for someone to blame. We're looking for who was exposed and who was supervising, so we can understand the system weakness that allowed it. Sustainable safety management requires continuous improvement. We use frameworks like PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act, and Six Sigma's DMAIC for data-driven process control. We also apply IPO thinking. We review whether the input was adequate, the process was followed, and the output met our intended safety outcomes. It's a holistic review. The 5 Whys method is a powerful way to dig deep. We keep asking why until we reach a controllable system cause, rather than stopping at mere operator error. Good practice means using evidence, not opinions. We stop only when the cause is specific enough for action, and then we convert that final why into a corrective plan. The fishbone diagram helps us brainstorm and organize possible causes using the 5M categories. It's a structured way to confirm causes with evidence before closing. By mapping out causes visually, we can see the relationships between different factors, like how a training gap in man might be compounded by a missing guard in machine. FMEA is a proactive tool. We identify where a process might fail and calculate the risk priority number based on severity, occurrence, and detection. We focus first on high-severity items. By reducing occurrence and improving our detection controls, we can prevent incidents before they ever happen in the field. Other methods include fault tree analysis for logical failure paths, barrier analysis to check what should have prevented the event, and bow tie analysis for recovery. RCA interviewing is also critical. We collect the timeline and behavior from those involved, ensuring we have the most accurate facts to drive our analysis. A solid investigation follows a 6-step workflow. It is fast, factual, and structured, continuing until the effectiveness of every corrective action is verified. We must verify effectiveness by auditing action closure and monitoring recurrence rates. An investigation is only successful if it leads to lasting, sustainable change. When defining actions, we prefer stronger controls. Elimination and substitution are our first choices, with engineering and administrative controls following. PPE is always our last resort. Our goal is to change the condition or the system itself and then share those learnings across all our sites and activities. In summary, good safety management makes hazards visible early, investigates with evidence, and builds a culture of relentless improvement. Use these tools every day. Safety is the result of visible standards and disciplined execution. For more training and consultancy, contact Unsafe at unsafe.s-g. Thank you for your commitment to workplace safety.